wabarakatuh. Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be showing you a short clips about offering help and services. But first of all, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Arsudevia Hirai.
My name Teresia.
My name Ratu Fitriana.
My name Jadid.
My name Andre Rizky Aulia Rahman.
Enjoy our video.
Is there a problem, Jadid? Is there something you don't understand?
Yes, I don't understand the meaning of question number 5.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes, please.
Guys, I think I lost my pen.
Really? Have you checked your bag?
I have.
Maybe you drop it somewhere. How about I lend you mine?
Really? Thank you, Arsu.
By the way, do you guys free this weekend? I'm planning to watch Deadpool and Wolverine movie at the cinema. Do you guys want to go with me?
I would love to, but I can't go because there's no one to take me.
I will go by car. Do you want to go with me, Teresia?
That's a good idea.
Alright, thanks, Andre.
Anyway, Uncle, you guys thirsty?
Oh, right. Let me bring some iced tea.